Okay, let's review the material we've covered so far, the concept of logic, reason, and argument, before moving on. As we said, logic is the prescriptive study of the principles of correct or reliable inference and reasoning. And the distinction between a prescriptive and a descriptive study is that a prescriptive study defines how we should reason, what rules should or ought to govern our reasoning, while a descriptive study describes how people in fact do reason, even in cases where their reasoning is bad. In logic, the prescriptive study, we're only concerned about what good reasoning should be. Logic is prescriptive, as we said. That is, it tells us what is good reasoning and how we should reason, not how people do, in fact, reason and draw conclusions. In fact, how people do, in fact, reason and draw conclusions is something that's studied in the science of psychology, not necessarily telling us how we should be reasoning or what conclusions we should draw from what set of facts. Reason, or a reason, is a statement which is intended to provide support, justification, or evidence for another statement. That is, a reason is something that makes some other statement rational or reasonable. And an argument is a set of reasons, that is, statements intended to support, provide evidence for, justify, or make rational, reasonable a certain statement or belief.